Hey guys, welcome back. Let us get your Link Studio, firmware, and software up and running. Follow these steps for a smooth installation process. Step 1. Visit the Nucleus Coffee Tools website. First, open your web browser and go to the official Nucleus Coffee Tools website at www.nucleuscoffeetools.com. Once on the home page, navigate to the product section and select the link option. After the link product page is loaded, locate and click on the Downloads button. Step 2. Download the software. Once you are on the Downloads page, select the correct version of the software for your computer type, either Mac or Windows. Ensure that you download the installer file specific to your operating system to avoid compatibility issues. Step 3. Install Link Studio. After the installer file has been downloaded, locate it in your Downloads folder and launch it to begin the installation process. For Mac users, if you receive a warning that the software is from an unrecognized developer, you will need to go to System Preferences, Privacy, and Security and allow the installation manually. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to complete the installation process. Once the installation is complete, open the Link Studio application. Step 4. Connect your Link Roaster. To connect your Link Roaster to your computer, use the tether cable provided. Verify that the connection has been successfully established by checking for the illumination of the black bonbon icon within the application. Additionally, the connection light on the roaster should turn into a green tick, confirming that the connection is active. Step 5. Update the firmware. Within the Link Studio application, click on the black bonbon icon. This will open a secondary view screen. Next, select the Firmware tab, which is the third tab in the interface. You will see blue highlighted text labeled Reinstall Latest. Click on this text and follow the prompts. First, confirm to download the firmware file. Once the download is complete, confirm again to send the file to your roaster. During this process, the roaster will reset automatically as the firmware installs. Step 6. Update the profiles. In the Link Studio application, navigate to the Profiles tab, which is located in the center of the interface. Click on the button labeled Reinstall Version. Follow the prompts to download the latest profile version and then send it to the roaster. As with the firmware update, the roaster will reset automatically to complete the installation. Step 7. Final check. Once you have completed all the steps, your Link Studio, firmware, and profiles will be fully updated. You are now ready to roast with the latest features and improvements. Make sure to test the connection and functionality to ensure everything is working as expected. And that's it. You have successfully installed and updated your Link Studio software and firmware. If you encounter any issues, refer to the troubleshooting section on the Nucleus Coffee Tools website or contact their support team. As always, happy roasting!